If you haven't already, find a comfortable and a quiet place to do this meditation, and we will begin. Envision expansion from the heart center. Perhaps set an intention. Ask your inner self what it is that you might be needing in this moment. Remind yourself of the love and the core soul within you. And when we do so, we can then see how the other beautiful parts of us just start to layer on top of our soul. And sometimes we go through moments where it can get to be a little bit too much, and then we forget about the giant pool of love and expansion and abundance that goes all the way deep down inside of us. But during some moments, we can only see that small top part. Remember how deep your love and that capacity for abundance goes inside of you. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself and for being here today. Until next time, breathe easy, friends.